Characteristics of the Sun. Your next adventure will take you beyond our planet Earth to meet the hottest object in the solar system, the Sun. Did you know that the Sun is a star? It is the nearest star to Earth. It is the Earth's main source of heat, light, and energy. It warms the Earth, brightens its surroundings, affects weather patterns, and sustains life. The Sun is described as a glowing ball of fire. It may look ordinary and small in the sky. In this lesson, you will discover some characteristics of the Sun, such as its size and composition. You will also learn the importance of the Sun to humans and to other living things on Earth. The Sun is the center of the solar system. The Earth, the other 7 planets, and other similar heavenly bodies that orbit the Sun make up the solar system. The Sun is believed to have been formed about 4,600 billion years ago. All planets, including the Earth, depend on it as their primary source of light and heat energy. Where does the energy of the Sun come from? How does it hold the solar system together? Let's describe some of the Sun's characteristics. Size. The Sun appears small to us because it is so far away. The truth is, it is so huge that about 1.3 million Earths could fit inside it. It is about 109 times wider than the Earth. Gravity. The Sun is so huge that its gravitational pull holds the Earth and other planets toward it. It is this gravitational pull that keeps the planets in their orbit around the Sun. Composition. The Sun is made up of hot gases. Its 2 main gases are hydrogen and helium. About 74% of the Sun's mass is hydrogen, and around 24% is helium. The remaining 2% consist of other elements in smaller amounts. The Sun is composed of several layers. The innermost layer or the center is its core. At its core, the temperature is around 15 million degrees Celsius and with a very high pressure. These conditions cause the hydrogen to combine to form helium. This process produces a large amount of energy in the form of heat and light. The photosphere is the layer that we see when we look at the Sun. Its temperature is about 5,500 degrees Celsius. This is the layer that gives off light and heat that reach the Earth. The outermost layer, the corona, is much hotter than the photosphere. It is composed of very hot gases. Its temperature is about 1 million degrees Celsius. The solar energy that reaches the Earth takes the different forms, but the most important to us are sunlight and heat. Sunlight brightens up our surroundings. It is used by plants to produce food. The heat warms our planet, making it livable. It influences the Earth's weather patterns and the continuous movement of water between the atmosphere, land, and bodies of water. It is solar energy that sustains life on Earth. You may be wondering why things in the sky, like the sun and other stars, seem to change their position as you look at them. The reason? The Earth is spinning. The Earth spins around its own axis, making a complete turn every 24 hours. This spinning is known as rotation. As the Earth rotates, the sun appears to move across the sky. It rises in the east, then goes across the sky, and sets in the west. But the sun is not actually moving. It is the Earth that is rotating on its axis. Here is a short video clip of the sun's changing position. The sun goes up in the east direction and the sun goes down in the west direction. When the Earth rotates, the side facing the sun is bright. The other side, which is not facing the sun, receives no light and is dark. It is day on the bright side and night on the dark side. Now let's observe the changes of shadow during different times of the day. When the sun is one side of the tree, its rays cast a shadow on the other side. Note also that the shadow changes size as the sun moves from east to west. In the morning and afternoon, the sun is lower in the sky, so its light hits object at a slanted angle. This causes shadows to stretch out and appear longer. At noon, the sun is at its highest point in the sky, almost directly overhead. The sunlight hits objects almost straight down, making shadows shorter or nearly invisible. So shadows are longest in the morning and afternoon, and shortest at noon. The length and direction of the shadow change throughout the day. It moves from west to east. These changes are due to the Earth's rotation. Did you know that the sun can help make electricity? In the Philippines, where it is very sunny, we can collect the special sunlight power. Using solar energy helps reduce electricity costs, lowers carbon emissions, and provides clean energy for homes and businesses. By harnessing solar power, the country can rely less on imported fossil fuels like coal and oil, making the energy supply more stable and reducing dependence on expensive and non-renewable resources. Solar panels offer many benefits, including lower electricity bills, environmental sustainability, and energy independence. They also work well in remote areas, bringing electricity to places without access to the main power grid. With solar energy, the Philippines can move toward a greener and more energy-secure future. Here are some solar farms in the Philippines. These solar farms help the country shift toward sustainable and renewable energy, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Here's a recap of the characteristics of the sun.